Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make Ube Boba and Crème Brûlée milk tea. Also, I will share some tips on how to make boba without failing. Let's get started. To make the boba, we will be using 80 grams of tapioca starch, 20 grams of ube powder. I can't find fresh or frozen ube, so I substituted with ube powder. Mix the two ingredients until well combined. In the saucepan, add 70 grams water, 30 grams white sugar. Cover the lid and cook on low heat till the sugar is melted. When all the sugar is melted, bring the sugar syrup to boil, then turn it back to low heat. Here's the tip on how to make zero-fail boba. Add in 2 tablespoons mixed tapioca starch, then stir quickly until the mixture becomes sticky and all the water has been absorbed. Now turn off the heat, add in the rest of the tapioca starch. Keep stirring. You will notice that the dough does not stick together, but has formed many individual clumps. Pour the dough into the working area. The dough is very hot, so remember to wear gloves. Knead the dough until it becomes smooth. Roll the dough around 1/4 inch thick, then cut them into small cubes, around this size. Then roll each piece into a ball and place in a bowl with a bit of tapioca starch to prevent sticking. Before cooking the boba, I use a colander to filter out the extra tapioca starch. Add the boba in the hot boiling water and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, put the boba in the cold water. Let them take a chilling ice bath. Lastly, in the saucepan, add in 200 ml water and 60 grams of sugar and the boba. Cook till the sugar syrup thickens. Cover the lid and allow the boba to set for another 10 to 15 minutes. While waiting, let's prepare the crème brûlée. We will be using 2 egg yolks, 20 grams sugar, and whisk the ingredient till well combined. Then add 150 grams milk and keep stirring. Add in 50 grams of heavy whipping cream and 3 to 4 drops vanilla extract. Lastly, use the colander to strain the egg mixture to get a smooth crème brûlée texture. Pour the liquid in the ramekins and cover it with aluminum foil and steam for about 15 minutes. Last but not least, don't forget to brew the Ceylon black tea. Add 15 grams Ceylon black tea and 400 ml hot water. Set the tea aside for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take the crème brûlée out and spread the sugar evenly on the top. Use the torch to melt the sugar and form the crispy top. I know this drink has many steps and preparation, but it is definitely worth it. In the glass cup, add in ube boba, crème brûlée, Ceylon black tea, ice, and milk. Feel free to add sugar syrup for extra sweetness. This recipe is for 2 servings. Homemade boba tastes very different compared to outside because we have control of the sugar level and ingredients. Fresh made, fresh served. I hope you enjoyed today's video and see you again on Friday. Bye!